Hello and welcome to What to Play 4-Player Card Games. In this video I will introduce 7 card games that can be enjoyed the next time you have 4 players sitting around the table. This video will just give a brief breakdown for the card games. You can find the full video tutorial for each of the card games mentioned in the 4-Player Card Game playlist linked to in the description of this video. The playlist also has additional 4-player card games that you can learn and enjoy.
First up is the fishing style card game Hockey. Hockey is a partnership card game where players try to play a matching card in rank from their hand with the previously played card, while also avoiding having their card played being matched. Each match scores a goal, and the team with the most goals after 3 rounds wins the game. Next up is the Rummy style card game Canasta. In 4-player Canasta, you will have a teammate and work together to create melds of similar ranking cards. The more of your cards you can meld, the better chance you and your teammate will win this game. Peanuts is a competitive patience card game that also goes by the name of Nerds or Racing Demons. This game can be played with 2 or more players, but the gameplay is great with 4 players. There are no taking turns in this game, so play as fast as possible, as the more cards you can play into the middle, the better. 13 is a climbing style card game. The objective of this game is to be the first player to get rid of all your cards. This is done by playing matching card combinations into the middle with increasing rank. You will need a strategy and a little luck to win this game. Rat-A-Tat-Tat is a draw and discard game great for all ages. Players begin with 4 cards face down. The object of the game is to get the lowest value of cards among all players. This is mostly done through drawing and discarding, with a few special cards having an action associated with them. Hearts is a trick-taking card game where each of the 4 players is playing individually. The object of this game is to avoid winning tricks with heart-suited cards or the Queen of Spades. Winning these cards will give you points which you don't want, as the low score wins this game. The exception being if you shoot the moon by winning all the heart-suited cards and the Queen of Spades. This will give all your opponents points and gives you a big advantage towards winning. Euchre is also a trick-taking card game but is played in partnerships instead of individually. The object of Euchre is to win at least 3 out of 5 tricks in a round. With only 5 tricks in a round, a game can be played fairly quick. This helps keep interest and engagement high throughout the gameplay.
I hope one or more of these card games has captured your interest and you are excited to gather together with family and friends and enjoy a 4-player card game. You can find the full video tutorial for each of the card games mentioned through the link in this video's description. Thanks for watching.